How to extract audio from a video in Canva. First of all, head over to canva.com and log into your account. Then simply choose your existing design, or you can also create a new design. So here in my video, you can see there is audio right below the timeline video. Now Canva will automatically detect the video and include the audio track with it. So now in order to only get the audio, simply tap on the video and remove the video from your Canva design. Tap on the timeline, then double tap on it. There you can see delete option available. Delete the videos. Now we are only left with the blank image and the audio available there. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the share icon available at the top right corner of your screen and download this blank page with the audio in your device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.